Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into CJ Affiliate, track affiliate performance step by step clearly. To log into CJ Affiliate, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for CJ Affiliate. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields asking for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. Ensure that you input the correct credentials to avoid login issues. After entering your information, click on the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to authenticate your credentials. If everything is correct, you will be redirected to your CJ Affiliate dashboard. Once logged in, you can access various features to track your affiliate performance. Explore the dashboard to find analytics and reporting tools. Here, you can monitor your earnings, clicks, and conversions. If you encounter any issues logging in, check your credentials for accuracy. You may also use the Forgot Password link if you need to reset your password. Follow the prompts to recover or reset your password as needed. After logging in successfully, regularly check your performance metrics. This will help you optimize your affiliate marketing strategies. Utilize the resources available in your dashboard for further insights. Happy tracking! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step